Okay, we're here today, and my dad's 2014 F-150 mirror fell off, and so we're going to replace the button. Okay, here's the two different ones I tried. This is the peel and stick one that didn't last, didn't quite fit right, and then this is the old-fashioned glue that seems to work really fast and really good. The peel and stick, you had to hold it for 3 to 5 minutes, holding pressure on it, which is a little tedious, holding up against the windshield like that. And then you have to wait 24 hours before you put the mirror on. The glue, you hold it for 1 minute, and then just wait 30 minutes before mounting the mirror. So it really seems like the way to go. So I hope this helps y'all, and continue to watch. Thank you. Alright, we're going to take the old button here, or mount, scrape off all the old glue that was on it, and we'll mount this one on there with the new glue. Smooth that off. So, yeah. So I believe that's 80 grit. And that's got that pretty smooth. You see the peel and stick one didn't stick. Part of it stuck to the mirror, or to the glass, part of it peeled off here, so that's why we're having to go this one. Got it off, and we'll clean up the windshield and we'll glue that other one back in. Say hi, Taryn. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, before we get started working inside, trying to see where the old mirror was. I'll mark it out here on the outside so I can hopefully get it in the right spot. Faintly see the edge where the old one was. Alright. Gotta scrape off where the old mirror was, clean that off so that I can get it nice and clean and stick the new on it.
What do you use that for?
Huh? This is a razor blade I use to scrape it off, get it nice, and because it's real sticky.
The sticky stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Did you put a sticker on there or something?
Yeah, it's kind of like a sticker. It was stuff made to stick the mirror on, and it didn't work very well. So now I have to redo it again. Now we take the cleaning pad, came with the kit, and we clean that real good. And we get it good and clean.
All clean.
We'll take the mount or the button.
That kind of smells like that stuff on those pads when you get a shot.
Yeah. Pretty close to the same stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, now we let that dry for a minute, and then we'll glue it on.
Glue it on?
Yep, and the package came with some glue to glue it. Takes just a couple drops.
I made a cactus. I made like when I cut out a paper cactus at school at first grade.
Oh, that's cool.
I did 2 arms.
Yeah.
2 arms on the pot.
Alright, now it just takes a few drops of this glue on here.
Few drops of glue. It's kind of hard to get because it's a tiny little package.
Yeah, it didn't open well.
You opened it like that.
Maybe I got it open better now. Alright.
It's like a magnet.
Yeah. I just gotta hold it up there.
When we go to the house, I'm going to when we go at your house, I'm gonna get a drink because I only drank orange juice this morning.
Yeah.
You have to hold it up there
For 1 minute.
for 1 minute.
Yep.
Why not 1 second?
It says hold it up there for 1 minute. That's what the package tells me to do.
Oh.
Just clean off any excess glue. We did that.
Am I going at your house after this?
And we just let it sit for 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and hang the mirror. But this is what I used this time. It's actually glues on. You get cleaner, you get glue, and glue it on. So I've used this on other mirrors, and it seems to work. So hopefully it works on this one. Okay, now we got the button there. I said to let it set for at least 30 minutes. It's set for maybe an hour or so. So now it's on there. That sucker's on there good. And we just slide this mirror on. See if we can get you. Right down on there. Just like that. Takes a little bit of pressure to get this thing down on there. Just, there we go. Just a little wiggling, twisting. I don't know if y'all heard that pop, but pop clipped in there. Alright, now just come around here. That plug and click it in there. Now that sucker's on there. The sucker's firm on there now. Alright. Alright, we got it all back on there. This seemed like a much better solution. The mirror, gluing it on instead of using the peel and stick. The peel and stick, the button looked to be shaped slightly different. Seemed like the mirror slid on it, but it didn't. I don't know if it ever clipped in proper and all. There was a lot of things just not right about it, and it never seemed secure. Just it didn't take long for it to just peel off, and some of the foam stuck to the windshield, some of it stuck to the button. So I know I had it on there good. It just like it peeled away from the button. That comes already stuck to the button. So anyway, I'll just stick with the old-fashioned little glue, and seems to work great. But I hope y'all enjoyed, and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like what I do and how I do things, and I'd appreciate it greatly. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.